अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम। कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
Okay, I am okay. All right. So everything is all right over there.
Yeah, it's just been a really hectic week because,
Okay,
yeah, there's a
okay.
lot of stuff going on.
Yes, okay. Anyhow, we are just going to start a new topic. You might have seen my screen. Are you
Right.
looking at this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's all about the geometry, circle, the problem solving. So, in this problem, we will make the combinations of the circle and the triangle because sometimes the diagram is given and we will have to calculate a lot of things. So that's why I have blended this problem two in one. What I mean to say
Right.
that the circle is there and the triangle is also there. If the one way or the other, if somebody is asking the question with respect to the circle or the triangle, so we will be in a better position to give the correct answer. So anyhow, let's see. We are just going to start this. So, so please, if you can read this one. So it's a simple problem.
Sure.
Okay,
What
please.
is the length of chord AB if A angle AOB is 90 degrees, O is the center of the circle, and the radius of the circle is 6 centimeters?
Centimeter. The problem is very simple. It's a combination of circle and the radius, circle and the triangle. So we have these choices. So at random, we can make any choice. We can select anyone, but how we are assuring that that must be the 100% correct answer. But anyhow, the choices are in front of you. Can make a guess or whatever you can think about that. But if you are not getting that, we are here just to get the right answer and how we are reaching the right answer. This is actually the logic. What I mean to say that the problems are just like these. So sometimes they are talking about the triangles, the circles, and the other geometrical figures, and we will have to get the. So all about that is this is a straightforward question, and we will have to select the right answer. Now let's see.
Okay.
Okay, the next slide is that how we will get the what is the approach? So the simple thing is that we are just looking for the correct answer. We will have to select out of those given five answers. So we will have to think about that how we should start the
Okay.
problem. And after doing some paperwork, so definitely we can reach the answer. But the thing is that at this moment, we only know the one thing, that is the triangle and the circle is there. The triangle is within the circle and all about that. And the radius is given. And the one more thing is also given when we are looking at the triangle. So it seems to be a right angle triangle. So let's see what is the
Right.
approach. So think about that. So the approach is very simple. What is the length of the chord AB? So the question is here that we should think about that. That what is our question? The question is in front of you, right at the top of our slide. That what is
Right.
the length of the chord AB? So we are looking for the length only. So the given things are AOP, that is 90 degree,
Right.
and radius of the circle is also given 6 centimeter. O is the center of the circle. So we have this much information. So what the
Right.
first thing is, what kind of a triangle is AOB? The first question is that if you are looking at this, so the triangle is. Let me once again. What we can just if you are looking for this answer, so we can draw this one that if we have a triangle, if we have a circle, what I mean to say that if we have a circle, this one. So there is a
Okay.
center, there is a 90-degree angle, and we are looking for this length. Okay.
Right.
So this is a 90-degree, and from here we can say that at least these two sides are equal. These two sides, because these are the radii of the same circle. This is the radius, this is the radius. So that's
Right.
why this question is being asked that what kind of the triangle is AOB? So
It's an
what's your answer?
iso
What's your answer?
yeah, isosceles right
Okay, okay,
triangle.
right, right. Good answer. It's a good. By looking all these diagram, you can just get the idea that what type of the triangle is this one. Anyhow, coming back to the steps, the first is what kind of AOB. So you have it's a spatial triangle. It's a any spatial. All right, it's a absolutely a spatial one. The
Yeah.
next is, if so, apply any relevant property of the spatial triangle and find the answer. Now, the answer of the first question is absolutely right. That it's a isosceles right angle triangle. It's a very spatial. And the next thing is the third one is, so if so, apply any relevant property of the spatial triangle and find the answer. So let's see what is that property. Can you recall that one?
Yeah. So for that one, it's the length of the two sides that have the angle 45 are the same, and also the length. So length of those triangle sides is 1 1 and then square root of 2. That's like the proportions of the triangle.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah.
It's a very simple idea that it's a right angle triangle. So one thing is that if we have a right angle triangle, so we can go for the Pythagorean theorem. What I mean to say, the Pythagorean theorem is the square of the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Am I right?
Right.
Are you getting this? The
Yeah.
Pythagorean theorem. Whereas Pythagoras theorem is so simple. So we can apply this one. The Pythagoras theorem is also there. And one more thing is that for the Pythagoras theorem, we must know the lengths, at least the two lengths are required. But I mean to say that if we can have two lines out of the sides of any of a right angle triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So from here, the one thing is this triangle is enclosed in the circle. So by looking at the figure, we can say that the radii of the circle are the lengths of two sides. So that's why what you were saying, that's absolutely right idea. That part second is what kind of a triangle is AOB. That was the first question. So that is the, from here you can see as I have drawn that circle and the triangle within that. So from here, once again, this is a pictorial view for you. Just to look at this, this is the right angle and this is the, what we can say, the radii of the circle, and this is the chord for which we are looking, the length of this chord AB. So this
Yeah.
was, OA is the radius of the circle, OA.
Yeah.
Please read this one.
Sure. What kind of triangle is OAB? Okay, OA is the radius of a circle. OB is also radius of the circle.
Good. These are the two given information or we can get out of this diagram. One thing more is,
Right. One, two sides of the triangle are equal.
oh yes, because this is also the radius and this is also the radius. So two radii both are equal of the same circle. So that's why two sides of the triangle are equal.
Okay.
So this implies that
A triangle OAB is isosceles.
isosceles triangle. Good. And then one more thing is,
AOB is equal to 90 degrees, so AOB is a right triangle.
okay, this was given. So this was given. Look at this. This AOB is a right angle. So that's why, therefore, AOB is a right isosceles triangle. So from
Right.
here, now we have the, just we are moving to the solution. So what are those
Good.
ratio of the sides of a right isosceles triangle?
It was 1, 1, and then square root of 2.
Okay, okay, absolutely right. Looking at this side opposite 44 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree and 90 degree are in the ratio 1, 1, 2. So it's
Right.
a theorem, what we can say the elementary geometry, we have seen this theorem so many times, that if the
Yeah.
triangle has a right angle triangle and its two sides are equal, then their angles opposite to two sides, opposite to those relevant corresponding sides are equal. So if we have this triangle, so if this side is equal, the angle opposite to that is also equal to the angle opposite to this one. Are you getting me?
Okay.
What I'm
Yeah.
saying? That is a theorem. Theorem is a fundamental fact that when the two sides are equal, then their opposite angles corresponding to each others are also equal. So that's why if this is a 90 degree, so if the angles are equal, then these must be of 45 degree, nothing less or
Right.
more than this, nothing more or less than 45 degrees. So we have the only two options, that is 45, 45, nothing less or more than this, because it's a 90. And this way we can get the sum 180. So the ratio is that 112. If it's a unit circle, what I mean to say, if this length is 1 in the ratio, it's a 1, that must be the square root of the sum of these two. What I mean to say, 1 plus 1, 2, and this is a square root. Okay.
Right.
The second part is compute the length of the chord AB. So we are just coming to the closer to the option. So we are looking for the real measurement of this chord AB. So here, look at this. The ratio of the sides of a right angle isosceles triangle is 1 ratio 1 ratio under root 2. So in this triangle, OA, OB, ratio OB, ratio AC is, and this is proportional to 1, 1 and the under root 2. So we have written just in a mathematical form, whatsoever we were talking about that. So we have written this format. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
OA and OB are the radii and measure 6 centimeters. So its exact figure is given now. This was given in the problem, that what is the length of the chord AB, where the angle is given, and the radius of the circle in which this triangle is enclosed, that is 6 centimeter. So A is the center of the circle. So that's why we are not just going to use the ratios, but we are just going to put the real values. What I mean to say, the 6 centimeter is the measure of each radius. So both the radii 6 centimeter of length, this length and this one. So therefore AB is the side opposite 90 degree, will measure. How we are getting? By using the Pythagoras theorem. So if you are just multiplying with this 6, 6, 6, so that must be the 6 under 2 centimeter. And this is one of the option given at the length of chord is AB is 6 under root 2 centimeter. So the choice is E, absolutely right. Choice is E. So this was the right way to just get the answer. And why we are, but I mean to say, we are just adopting a lengthy path to get this answer. The reason is this, that there are so many other problems. So from here we can say that we have a lot of things about the isosceles triangle, then the right triangle isosceles triangle, then the circle, then the radii, and the chord which is away from the center, and there are so many other things, but anyhow this is the right option. So in this way we have this time a very simple what I mean to say, a problem. Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing is, now I think in Pakistan we have a lockdown, so each and every school and college and university has been closed over here. Now, what is the situation over there in America?
We're still doing online school as far as I know. There won't be any final exam though. So
Okay.
there's just gonna be your like school grade's gonna be your final grade, and that's pretty much all we know so far. And the school's gonna end on December 23rd.
23rd. They will be
Yes.
reopen or they will end the
No, just
session?
like winter break, like for winter
Winter
break.
break. Okay, winter break,
Yeah,
and this
that's
will
as far as we know till.
okay, okay. This will continue till if the winter break is starting from 23rd of the December, so it will continue till the next what
Yeah, till like January.
January 11
Yeah, it's
or
like a
10th,
2 week break.
2 week break. So after
Yeah.
that, what will be the your exam? What is that? The final
So
exam.
there's gonna be no final exam, but for the test, like the ACT, I don't. We're not really sure. I think it's
Okay.
we like last time we went in school with our masks on, so I think
Yes.
that's what we're gonna do again.
Again. So
Yeah,
you will not have to take the exam this time.
yeah, we're just gonna use our final grades
Okay, okay,
as
okay,
yeah.
okay. Anyhow, so if you're taking the online classes over there, so what is that schedule? If we can just divide this segment that you must take a class in the afternoon also over there and morning over here. What I mean to say, can we divide this segment into two parts? What I mean to say that if you are attending the first class of me, the mathematics in the what I mean to say evening, so right time is over there, and if you can spare the time in the afternoon over there, that will be our evening. What I mean to say that I can switch over to 9 p.m. Pakistan standard time or 10 p.m. or whatsoever you can like over that, because it's a very long night and we can spare the time in the night also over here in Pakistan.
True. I'll let you. I'll just text you like a good time because I'm not sure off the top of my head the conversions to 10 or like that. Actually, I think it's 12 hours or 11, but I'm not exactly sure.
12 hour if you
Um,
are day light saving time, so you have turn back your watches to -2. So it's a what I mean to say that there is a time that if we are spare over here at 9 p.m. in Pakistan, so there will be 9 a.m. 9 a.m. over there in America. And if you are
well,
busy over there, what
we
is
have
that
school
time?
till
You were
okay,
taking the online classes over there at that time. What
right,
is the
yeah.
what
I'm
is
taking
the
online classes until 1 or
until
sometimes it
one?
takes till 3.
Okay, okay, okay. One. So here will be. So it's not possible. Anyhow, if you can spare any time, you can call us. We can adjust the timing. So anyhow, this was
Yeah,
all
all
about
right.
that. So I'm sure that you are also practicing your.
Yeah, I have my own book as well. Yep.
Yes, so if there is any, once again, it's a generous option for you offer from my side that if you are feeling any difficulty in your course of mathematics over there in the school online classes, you can just send us. We just try to help you. We will solve that. We will go through all those problems if you are feeling such like that. So it's no
Okay.
harm if you are asking. Actually, this is the supplementary for the this ACT or SAT exam also. That if you are not clearing something over there, so that may be in the this test. So you can also ask that. So anyhow, so this is all about the today's lesson. So it's a very short one, although I was looking for the book that I must solve some other question. But anyhow, we are just getting the repo. So next time we will do something more from the book also.
Okay.
Okay. And you can also send the question. You can also ask the assignment. So whatsoever you are feeling any problem out of your own assignment, out of the school, or of the this ACT or SAT, or if you're getting any question from here and there, so you can send. We will talk about that. We have both the books. So I have started ACT, so definitely tomorrow we will solve some more question for that. So this was the presentation, very simple. So that's why I'm not taking this much time. That must be relax. This is the first day of the weekend, and we are just not putting the extra loads. So that's why we have
Right.
just a very limited session. But anyhow, you can ask for more. Okay.
Right. Okay.
So thank
Yep.
you very much. If you want to say anything more, one more thing is that you haven't. What I mean to say, you didn't send the that sample of your writing. That gentleman was asking that if you can send for the pen picture of your
Oh,
personality.
right, right.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you. Is there anything specific or just like
No,
I
no,
could copy like some?
anything. It's actually I have talked to him that what is that science? He was telling that a lot of guys and girls and so many people are sending the writing in the full scale A4 paper. So whatsoever you want to write it, that's just the sample of writing. Just a
Okay.
little paragraph about copying, about yourself, about whatsoever. The analysis of your handwriting, not of your contents. That is the
Right.
analysis of the handwriting. So, and one thing more is that we are arranging a great debate on the topic of psycholinguistic. Psycholinguistic, this
Okay.
is the topic of the great debate. So definitely we will tell you how to participate in that. You will learn a lot of things. And that is that there are two or three gentlemen, they will talk about the psycholinguistic. This term is very much over there for the language learning, and what are those psychological effects and what are those tricks and tips. So very soon when we will arrange this, we will let you know. And if you can spare the Sunday at any time of your own choice, so we just make that debate on Sunday also. So let me know that what is the appropriate time where you can spare 40 or 30 minutes, so we
Okay.
can arrange that, and that will be very beneficial for you because in this SAT or ACT there is a critical reading and writing. So definitely
Yeah.
those gentlemen tell you the techniques, that what are those psycho-linguistic techniques. What is psycho-linguistic? What are different approaches? How can we critically learn the language? How can we
Yeah.
analyze the language, reading, writing, or whatsoever? So let me know what is the time in a few days, that what must be the appropriate time just to invite them and arrange this great debate. That is on
Okay.
the psycholinguistic. That is the topic. It's also a unique topic. So I am also interested just to know all about that. That what the things, what the points they are coming, those two gentlemen. So anyhow, I am just trying to make arrangement for that great debate online on Zoom. So you
Okay.
will be the participant. You can ask the question. You can participate whatsoever. If you can invite your friends or anybody else, so they are most welcome. They can ask the question. They can enjoy that great debate. Anyhow, you will have to let me the right time and the day. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the time to say Allah Hafiz. So take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, take care.